I don't know if you think I'm exaggerating, but there was one year we actually had to red flag a Power Wheels. One kid did a good hit, but he was a pretty good sized kid, but hit a small little machine. He sat a little bit too far in the back, and when he made his first hit, car number 108 out of Hendricks, Minnesota is Leonard Lusfield, sponsored by Wooden Trucking, Wilson Grain, Construction, and Murphy Reading. Roofing, there we go, Murphy Roofing. Hard to read some of the writing. Car number 007 out of Lamberton, Minnesota is Joshua Hess. His sponsors is D&M Farms, Miles Auto, and Bittner Roofing. And bringing up is car number 2M out of St. Cloud, Minnesota is Tyler Muford. His sponsors is Schultz, Soft Water, and Coke Transcoders, there we go, and Ice Building Rentals. So there we go, we got 11 cars on the subcompact that's coming out to you guys today.
That's Beverly's grandson.
Oh, cool. Hey, Grandpa, want me to interview you quick? I'm doing my video, want me to interview you?
What do you got to say?
You know what the fish is? Like I could ask you, what's the biggest fish you've caught, Grandpa?
30-inch.
What's the biggest fish you caught, Grandpa?
30-inch walleye.
Nice. Good job, Grandpa.
You gotta get ready for this.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wow.
That's cool, number 25.
Oh, yeah. At the Demolition Derby in Tyler, Minnesota. Oh yeah.
I got 11 on the sheet. I only got 10 cars on it right now. Well, we use a plate of water to block the entrance. That's one thing, they don't want to run into that. Alright, you guys gotta help me out to kick off this first feature. Ready? 5, 4,
3, 2, 1, blast off!
kick it off. This compact chain class of the 2025 Demolition Derby. Now make sure his chin strap is on this time. I have no idea how you get a head or a helmet to come off like that.
Wow. Grandpa, I want 97 to win. That one's my favorite, 97.
Down to 3 cars.
What? Oh. I hope 97 wins. You got this, 97.
Here he comes.
Yeah. Oh. That guy's about cooked.
Still got the 24 and looking good.
Wow. No. Oh. Wow. Yeah.
The only one that got hit is the only one that hit.
Wow.
Now he's going to say, all right, now it's my turn. So that's McCurdy and the 24. 97 is leading.
Come on, 97.
The 02, I should say, the 02. There's that kid.
Oh.
There, hopefully we're going again.
Oh.
Now what? Next one out. There.
Oh. Wow. Pink is back.
What's he trying to get his license plate number or what? So Tyler's brought it. Chris Purdy's still going.
Wow.
One of the little big cars, a fast little car. I think they know each other. All right. Tanks is out and I think the 02 is trying to get his car going yet. 24 still going strong. That's Chris McCurdy. Here we go.
Woo.
Second place to go to the 02 of Tyler Perfect out of St. Cloud. And your winner of the compact chain class would be the car number 24,
He's a nice
Chris
kid.
McCurdy.
Cool.
He just got down to
Oh, that's cool.
wrong number actually on my sheet here. So, first place is going to go out to Chris McCurdy in the car number 24C. Second place is going to go to 02 out of Tyler, Minnesota, Jaden Voss. Third place goes to 97X is Derek Stagg. I had 05 on my sheet, should have been 02, but I had a 2M down the bottom. Oh, we got that straightened out. So anyway, we're going to get this cleaned up. We'll get them out here for our next feature race, which would be the compact weld class. About the same size, just a little bit different on the cars. Should be about 7 cars in the compact weld. Should be coming out here. Will be the car number C4 out of Comfrey, Minnesota. Sponsored by the Hess Farms is Gavin Hess. Car number 10 out of Pipestone, Minnesota is Adam Johnson. Car number D1E out of Montevideo, Minnesota is sponsored by TV Machine is Lee Grant. Car number 88A out of Tyler, Minnesota, Hess Farms, Hess and K Auto, driven by Austin Heights, Hess. Car number 50 out of White, South Dakota, Renich Farms, is Brian Renich. Car number 55 out of White, South Dakota, is Trevor Riff. And car number 24 out of White,
wow. There we go. I'll grab one of them backfiring.
Right by the door.
That's cool.
Oh yeah. You go 60.
in 7th position is the 2M. Richard Tyler Rupert by St. Cloud, Minnesota. That'll be the 2M car. Big car.
See him right there? Lean forward. Right there. Standing up, looking at you.
Ready?
Right there. See him right here.
Yeah, well, here we go. Ready or not? 5, 4,
2, 1, blast off! Oh, wow.
The 01 of Grant. Hess is on the 88A and it's
Wow.
We're going to separate these guys. These guys want to So between the 01 and the 2, that would be Murford and the 2, the 01 of Grant. We'll get them separated, and I think the 88 came in there too. Austin. We'll get them all separated out here. Should be down to the last 3. Right here.
Ooh. Wow. Looks like number 2 might win. Oh, wow.
Oh, God, 1, 2, 3, just like that.
Wow.
Tell you what, when you go to 50's Jamboree, you get one of that John here. I thought he was going cash. Can't be worse than when we went to George Brooks and caught it up right up next to me. I know that. I thought it was a whole thing. Bonnie his hands, that's heavy. The t-shirt with a streamer goes with that clothing.
His wife and his daughter is Andrew Bradkey. Car number 3X, sponsored by Circle Z, Derby, like pantry, Stubbs, Pub, Switzer Farm, Sir Engineering, is Kelby Myers. Car number 70 out of Pipestone, Minnesota, it is going to be Andy Johnson. Car number 78 out of Lamberton, Minnesota, sponsored by Slippin' In, must be not my guess. Mike's Welding, Jeffers Implement Service is going to be Toby Oswin. Car number 76J out of Lake Bend, Minnesota, Zach Swinson. Car number 08 out of Redwood Falls, Minnesota is going to be Mickey Messer. Car number 4 out of Ruthven, Minnesota, Pipestone Repair is going to be Jamie Johnson. That should be your, wait a minute, we got a Stillwater class first. All right, well, let's get first and second out of here. Number 345, that's it, number 190. That's going to be a race to the end. I think it's Hutchinson Metal Recycling might donated one of them skid loaders to help out with the cars and trucks, get them off the track here. Swenson, Messer, and Johnson again. 13, 3X, 70, 78, 76S, 08, and number 4.
You ready, Reagan?
That looks like a taxi out of New York.
Damn, they're not as easy to find as they used to be.
What looks like a taxi?
No, I think it's pretty big.
What looks like a taxi for
That blue one? Alright, we got a truck. Oh yeah! No rust.
Alright, we'll get them lined up here. Should be about 7 vehicles out here. Kind of looks like they're all wagons, except one little kid pickup truck. Johnson.
Oh. Go up!
So we get one more truck, we'll have 4 on 3. Nope, 5 on 2. We'll see how they're looking after. This is a nice orange one, all painted up.
Oh, wow.
Yet. Alright, kick off the Mighty Minis. Are you guys ready?
Woo!
Are you guys ready?
Woo!
Alright. Countdown. 5, 4,
2, 1, blast off!
2025.
Wow. Wow.
Okay, hold it on, hold it. We're gonna get a couple of them apart. I believe that would be two of them. Charge
Whoa.
Mighty Minis is Jamie Johnson out of Petco. Sponsors Kibble Equipment and Poplow Farms. This is Blake Poplow. Car number 69, sponsored by Trubisky Transport and Newman Collision and Transport is Brent Hatfield. Car number 16 ounces out of Canby, Minnesota is Zach Jasperson. Car number 77 out of Marshall, sponsored by Lanew's Auto Parts and Service Center is Bryce Lanew. And car number 24 out of Marshall is Kyle Lanner. Cover your top 7 cars. Six cars.
Ooh, I like number 16.
This is the main event. Two more to go.
Oh, cool.
Get up on your feet, everyone. 3, blue.
Oh man, my favorite 1000 already.
16 ounces of Jasperson, I believe. And the white car.
Wow.
is Kyle. Last two that are. Yeah, so they the shifting thing, they went right to the floor on the shifters, but so they get a direct shift right to the transmission. So it doesn't have to do anything. So there's the end of it. You just
Wow.
find out who actually come in third place, and I'll get right back to you.
What's the hurry for?
Thank you.
I was just told one of them cars out there is for sale. You just have to go up and ask the driver, give it a good offer. So anyway, to finish on this, third place, in the car number 69. Second place is going to go to Zach Tuff in the car number 54. And your winner of the full-size Street Stock Limited, full-size, is car number 24, Kyle Lanners. Kyle Lanners, car 24, also took Mad Dog. Great job, thanks drivers. Like I say once again, please pick up all your medals.